Morning, my dear students. So today we are going to continue the compounds of silicon. So yesterday we discussed about the preparation properties of silicon tetrachloride, and today we are going to take about the silicon. Silicons are very important. Silicons are very important compounds used in domestic as well as industrial purpose. Right? Silicons, they are called as silicon polymers, right? They have the empirical formula. Their empirical formula is given as R2SiO, which is almost similar to ketones. So ketones have R2CO. Just like carbon compound, silicon compound is also obtained here, right? They are also known as high temperature polymers because these polymers are capable of withstanding high temperature. We know what's a polymer. Polymer is a giant molecule which is having huge mass and long chain structure, right? So that is these are the very important silent features of the silicons. So how these silicons are prepared? Preparation of silicons. Preparation of silicons. Silicons are prepared from alkyl chloride and silicon. Right? It involves 3 steps. Step 1, the alkyl chloride, when heated with silicon, it forms R2SiCl2. Right? So step 2 is this dialkyl dichlorosilane. This is dialkyl dichlorosilane. Right? So how to write the structure? Put silicon in the middle, 1 chlorine here, 1 chlorine here, 1 alkyl group here, 1 alkyl group here. It undergoes hydrolysis with 2 water molecules. Then what will happen? 2 hydrogen will join with 2 chlorine, forming 2 HCl, and it becomes SiOH, OH, R, and this is dihydric silicon. So carbon kuda OH irundha alcohol po, adhe pole silicon kuda OH irundha silicon. So chlorine veliye poita adu pera enna varudhu? It becomes OH. And step 3. So step 3 involves like this. So you have to take the dihydric silicon, and this is heated to undergo condensation. We take one more. So these two on heating will lose a water molecule. HOH goes out and it forms a linear silicon. Right? So this is called linear silicon. So this can continue. Suppose you heat this molecule with one more molecule of SiOH, OH, R. If this is heated, then this will go out as water molecule. Now we'll get 3 units. Right? And one more unit is getting joined now. So like that, it can continue n number of times and we get long chain of compounds. So this is called linear silicones, right? So these are the three steps using which you can prepare the silicones. And we have cyclic silicones. So we have three types of silicones. One is linear silicones, the other one is cyclic silicones, and third one is ring silicones, right? So for example, suppose if we take trihydric silicone. So trihydric silicones will lead to the formation of cyclic silicones or ring silicones, right? Here are Si, OH, OH, OH. Like that, 4 molecules can involve. This is the second molecule, then third molecule. Then fourth molecule. When these molecules are heated, now what happens? H will go with OH forming H2O. H will go with OH forming H2O. H will go with OH forming H2O. And H will take OH forming H2O. So 4 water molecules will go. And now we get a ring silicone or cyclic silicone. R, Si, OH, O, Si, OH, R, O, Si, R, OH, Si, R, OH, O. So that's a structure. So we get like this: R, Si, OH connected by oxygen, then OH, R, Si connected by oxygen, and it goes like this. This is called cyclic silicone or ring silicones, right? So like that, silicones are being prepared, right? So we have linear silicones, cyclic silicones, and ring silicones, which are prepared from different type of alkyl chlorosilates, right? So after that, we have the properties of silicones. So as far as the properties of the silicones are concerned, most of the silicones are liquids or rubber-like solids, because they have close structure, right, at low temperature. Then second thing, they are water repellent. They will not absorb water, right? This is due to the presence of the organic groups that are present around it. So all silicon atoms are surrounded by organic groups which are always repelling out the water molecules, and they are good insulators of heat and electric current. They will not conduct electric current, they will not conduct heat also. The fourth important property, they can withstand high temperature, right? These are the main 4 properties of the silicones. And silicones have got a number of uses. So first use is that it is used to prepare waterproofing clothes. Yeah, waterproof. Where we use waterproof clothes, raincoat, tarpaulin in the lorries. Those are all waterproof clothes. மேல மழை பெஞ்சா கூட என்ன ஆகுது, தண்ணி உள்ள போகாது இல்லையா? Umbrella. If you take umbrella, that cloth is actually a given coating of silicones, because they are all water repellent. It will not absorb water, it will just repel the water molecules. So waterproofing clothes are manufactured using silicones, right? And then it is used as a good lubricant to avoid the frictions in the engines. Lubricant na enadhu uraiva tadukradhukku ida use பண்ணுவாங்க. That is also like grease. And third one is they are used as insulators. Yeah, நம்ம எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் வயர்ல பார்த்தோம்னா மேலே டேப் சுற்றி வச்சிருப்பாங்க, இல்லை பெரிய பெரிய எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் மோட்டார்ஸ்லாம் என்ன வச்சிருப்பாங்க, டேப்ஸ் சுற்றி இருப்பாங்க. அதுலலாம் கரண்ட் போகாது. Those are all made up of silicones, right? And then these silicones are used in varnishes and paints. Varnish, paint, இதெல்லாம் இது கூட எல்லாம் கண்டிப்பா என்ன மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க, சிலிகான் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. because it will withstand the heat. சில இடத்துல பார்த்தோம்னா பெயிண்ட் அடிச்சிருக்கும் போது என்ன ஆகும், வெயில் பட பட அப்படியே பிரிஞ்சு பிரிஞ்சு விழுவும். அதில் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணலன்னு அர்த்தம், சிலிகான் யூஸ் பண்ணலன்னு அர்த்தம். சிலிகான் யூஸ் பண்ணா அந்த மாதிரி உடையாது. So all the heat energy will be withstand by the paint and varnish if it is mixed with silicones. So it is also used in the high temperature bath, high temperature oil baths are prepared using the silicones. So these are the main 5 applications of the silicones. So you should know what are silicones, how are they prepared, what are their properties, and what are their uses. So after this you will write a test tomorrow, right? Already I mentioned from 41 to page 48 you will write the test. We have only one more topic, silicates, that we will see in the next class on Monday. With that we will finish this lesson. Second lesson gets over. Okay, have a good day. God bless you.